Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here with a very quick video to show you how quickly you can come in here and create sites for your clients using our proven high quality templates that you can go out there and sell from anywhere between $500, $1,000, $2,000, even $3,000 to your clients. And I'm going to show you how quickly it is to create a site, how quickly you can edit that site as much or as little as you like, and how you can go out there and point that website to any domain you'd like. All right, so the first thing you're gonna see is that this is based on WordPress. Okay, so we built all of our templates inside of WordPress using the WordPress multi-site system. Okay, so you'll be able to come in here, create multiple sites, manage multiple sites, edit multiple sites, and publish multiple sites all inside of one WordPress login. Okay, so to create a new site, all you have to do is come over here to My Sites and click Add New here at the top. Once you do that, you'll be able to select from a variety of different templates that we have built into Done For You Chief. Okay, we have fitness, barber, health clinic, e-commerce, plumber, tourism, restaurant, e-store, professional event, creative agency, car repair, dentist, all of the hottest niches out there, we have a template for them. So let's say that, for example, I want to do a fitness template for maybe a gym or a nutritionist or anyone in the health field. All I have to do is click select, name this template. So I'll do fitness client. And you don't have to worry about this, remember, because although we host everything for you, I'll be able to change this to be my client's domain. Okay, so the site title, fitness client, click add site. And now this new site has been added to my dashboard. Okay, so to go to the specific dashboard for this website to start editing it, all I have to do is click on dashboard. Okay, now I'm in the edit options for this particular site called fitness client. Okay, now there's a few things that you can do to edit this site. You can come here and click customize your site. Okay, and that's going to take me to the customizations of this site. And there's two ways that you can customize it. There's going to be this area here where you can edit all types of things here. You can see you can change the title, the tagline, the layout, the typography, all of these different text size, text height, header text size, everything we have. You could pretty much edit everything and anything on this site. You can change the background. Okay, if I come over here, you can see we have multiple different options, footers. Okay, you can edit everything, absolutely everything, as much or as little as you want to edit to this site, you can edit. Okay, another cool thing that I wanted to touch on as well is here towards the bottom, you can go ahead and switch and toggle through the different types of sites. So you can edit the desktop version, edit the iPad version, and edit the mobile version. So very, very powerful options there as well, allowing you to make sure that your site looks correctly on all devices. And once you're done editing it, you can hit save and publish and you're good to go. But now I want to show you something really cool, okay? Because the powerful editor that we have built in comes with a drag and drop editor as well. So here I'm on the actual site. I can click on enable visual builder. And now if you're more of a drag and drop, click to edit type of person, I'm gonna skip these tutorials here, just start building. Now, if you're more of a visual person, you can come here, and as you can see immediately, as soon as I hover over any of these sections, I'm able to edit them right away. And if I wanna edit this text, I just click, and you can see right away, I can now edit this text. And you can do the same thing for any element on this page, okay? And you can add new elements as well by clicking this green button here. But as you can see, anything and everything that I hover over, I can edit, okay? So this allows me to customize this site as much or as little as I'd like. I can add my client's phone number. I can edit this phone number and add my client's information. So within minutes, I can create the site, come here, edit this information, swap out the logo, and boom, I have a brand new site for a brand new client that I've just completed within minutes. Okay, so it's that simple to come in here and start publishing, creating, and editing sites for your clients. And there's a few more things that I want to show you as well. If I come in here to the dashboard, I'm going to hit discard and exit. Okay, I can also, like I mentioned, point that website to wherever domain I want. So let's say that I'm done editing the website. I already added my client's logo, and to quickly change the logo, all you have to do is come here, theme options. You can see logo, upload, select the file, click the logo you want, open, and you can change the logo that quickly, okay? Now, to be able to have this website show up on any domain that I want, you can see here we have a custom domain feature. So this allows you to set the domain that you want, and all you have to do is create an A record inside of the domain name register that you're using, and that is it. Within a few hours, this website will now show up on the domain that I specify here in this box. Okay, so it's that simple to come in here, create a site, edit the information, set the custom domain, and boom, you can sell that site for $500, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, whatever it is that you want. Another very powerful feature that we have built in is the ability to add users. So let's say that you want to give your client user access so that they can go ahead and edit their own site. You can add them as a user very, very easily here by adding a user just for this particular site, okay? So I'm giving him access just to this site. They're not gonna get access to any of the other sites that I have created, okay? And if you guys can see, the websites and the templates that we have built in are extremely high quality, okay? Everything in here is extremely crisp, HD, everything is very, very professionally designed, okay? So guys, we have a very powerful offer here for you. You get access to 12 of these sites that you can quickly edit, customize, and publish and sell to your clients for $500, $1,000, $2,000, as much as you want. Not only that, we're hosting everything for you, and not only that, you can set the domain to whatever you want and have this website show up on any domain you like. Okay, and of course you can edit this as much or as little as you like with one click by enabling the visual builder. All right, thank you guys. I hope you enjoy this, and go ahead and I look forward to seeing you in the members area.